I wanna show you how to add the effect of sky replacement in Premiere Pro, let's go! I have already edited to my timeline 2 video clips. The first clip is original one and the second one the sky that I wanna replace. First of all, go to the effects and write Ultra K. Add your Ultra K effect to your video clip. Then go to the effects control and you'll find the little dropper. Select the little dropper. Then move over your preview screen. If you click on the sky, you'll see it to go gray and black. That means it's now transparent. To show this transparency, simply go over this wrench icon, then go down and click Transparency Grid. Now your sky became transparent. But in case if you need to adjust some defects, just expand matte generation and play with the value of transparency. Finally, select your second clip and drag it under the main clip to replace the sky. Let's see the result. Help to grow this channel. Put your like and subscribe.